Hello guys, welcome to this series. We are going to be talking a lot about Salesforce Connect in this series, and it's going to be fun. My name is Adefokun Adetono. I'm a Salesforce architect. I'm aspiring to become a Salesforce technical architect over the next few years. Okay, so yeah, the series is going to be about Apex Connector Framework. So why do we need all of these jargons? So let me start with Salesforce Connect. Let's say you want to connect to an external data source. If your data is in the ERP system, for example, and you do not want to copy that data into Salesforce, but you need it to make decisions. You need it to make your Salesforce more useful. You need data. That's when you need to do that, when you are in that situation, the only choice that you have is Salesforce Connect. Or not the only choice, but the best choice is Salesforce Connect, and that's it. So if your data is in SQL Server, for example, you want to connect to that. Okay, let's say your data is in the ERP system. How do you connect to that? You need Salesforce Connect. Okay, so anytime you do not want to replicate data in Salesforce, you just want to virtually view the data or virtually access the data, Salesforce Connected is the way to go. So many data sources, many external data sources support OData protocol. So you'll be able to directly use that. For example, if you are trying to connect to another Salesforce org, you can use a cross-org adapter for that. But where all of those, okay, so let's see the options here. You are trying to connect to Amazon, you pick this. Say you want to connect to Snowflake, you can pick this and come here and select Snowflake, and you'll be able to establish your connection. So if you are trying to connect to any system that support OData protocol, like I said, you can pick them and establish your connection this way. The problem occurs where your external data source does not support any of these protocols. In that situation, you have no choice than to create a custom adapter. And that is what this series is about, okay? So I've developed a custom adapter that we can use to connect to many external data sources. This series is going to, in this series, in this first episode, I'm going to connect to Supabase. But in subsequent episodes, I'm going to show you how to use the same application to connect to, say, Firebase, for example, Neon, and so many other ones. Okay, even within the community, you can just chat me up to extend the application to other applications. Let me know about those other applications, and we'll make the system support those other applications. Okay, but for now, we are going to focus on Supabase. So, and you pick what's it called? You pick this option, this custom adapter, and you'll be able to establish connection to Supabase. If you look here, all of this data don't exist in Salesforce. Okay, all of these are coming from Supabase. But from the next videos, I'm going to show you how to create account in Supabase, establish, grab your API key, and then we'll establish connection, and you'll be able to do all of these things. That's essentially what this series is going to be about, and I promise it's going to be fun. It's an advanced. It's not just advanced, it's a premium service of Salesforce, really. Salesforce Connect is a premium service. So it's not going to be a walk in the park, but I promise to break everything down and make it really, really simple. Okay. Yeah. The community, thank you so much. In other applications that I've developed, I've met people that helped me to test, the application. So I will expect that over the next few months, I will find people that will still help me test this. Even, we can actually make it better. I'm very, very happy to be part of this community. That's going to be it for this one. And I'll see you on the next one where we're going to be talking about Supabase proper. Thank you.